If we wanted to share a script with a friend, but didn't necessarily want them making any changes to it, we could invite them as a read-only user. To do this, go over to the share icon on the left-hand side and click on it to open up the share widget. So if we click on the plus sign for Collaborators, we can enter the name of who we want to invite here. Now, if we've invited someone to the project before, we can type in their name. We'll see it appear there to autofill, or we can just type in their email. The plus sign to stage the invite, and this will allow us to edit the permissions of the invite that we're about to send. So once we're looking here, we can see can share. This will give the user admin privileges and allow them to invite anyone that they'd like, so we'll keep that deselected here. And can edit will give them the ability to make changes to the script, which in this case we don't want. Unchecking it will make this user read only, though they will still be able to leave comments, so it's perfect for sharing. You can then add a message. Send it off. Alternatively, if you want to send the script to multiple people or you don't have all of their email addresses, generating a share link would work just as well. To do this, we can either click the plus sign to add a new link or use the existing default one, but we'll go ahead and use this new one. You can click the sideways arrow to edit the user permissions, just like we could on the staged email invite. So I'll go ahead and make this a read-only invite as well. And then if I click there, you can see that I've copied the link to my keyboard. And I can send that to whoever. So if your screen looks any different because you're using the hybrid or classic layouts, you can access all of these options through the share menu at the top of the screen by going to Share and Share Project. You'll see the exact same thing that we saw in the sidebar in the simplified menu.